Hi students, now we are going to define position vector. So for that I have considered a two-dimensional plane which is called as XY plane. So X is along the horizontal and Y is along the vertical. Now I am going to consider a particle located on this XY plane. Randomly let us say that this is the position of the particle. Okay. So the particle is taken to be at a position P. So this is the position P. And O is the observing point. That is the reference point called as the origin. So with reference to the origin, the particle is located at a point P. Now I am going to join the origin and the position of the particle. Okay. So I am going to join these two. A straight line joins the origin to the position of the particle. And now the vector OP is called the position vector. So this OP is called the position vector of the particle and it is represented by the symbol R vector. So how will you define position vector? Position vector is defined as the vector which joins what? Which is joining the origin, okay, up to the position of the particle, and it is directed from O towards P. Now, since it is a two-dimensional plane, I will project the particle on the x-axis and the y-axis. So the position of the particle is now projected on the x-axis and this point is denoted as A. Similarly, I project the position of the particle on the y-axis, okay, on the y-axis, and this point is B. Okay, now this distance O to A is small x and the distance O to B is small y. Okay, and OA, if you multiply this x with the unit vector along the x-axis, then this OA vector is equal to this x into I cap. Similarly, here OB is along the y-axis. Therefore, OB vector, okay, OB vector is equal to y into the unit vector along the y-axis is denoted as j cap. So now we want to express the resultant vector, that is the position vector. So r cap. So r cap vector is represented by OP vector. So this is a OP vector. This only is called the position vector. So OP vector only is called the position vector. Okay. Now you will see that this OA vector is x into I cap. OB vector is y into j cap. Therefore, this OP vector, okay, OP vector is equal to OA vector plus OB vector. So the position vector OP is equal to OA vector plus OB vector. So I am going to rewrite here. Instead of OP vector, I am going to write what? Vector R. And instead of OA vector, I am going to write x I cap. So x times I cap plus y times j cap. Okay, y times j cap. So this vector R, okay, which is directed from the origin to the point at which the particle is located, is called as the position vector, and it is expressed in terms of the x coordinate and the y coordinate. So this is called as the x coordinate, horizontal coordinate of the position vector, x coordinate of the position vector. Okay, and this y times j cap is called the y coordinate of the position vector. Okay, now you can see that R vector R is making some angle with the horizontal. So that angle is denoted as theta. So the value of theta gives the direction of the position vector. Always the direction of the position vector or the direction of the resultant vector must be expressed with the reference to the x-axis only. So here you can see that in triangle OPA, okay, in triangle OPA, what is the tan value of theta? So tan value of theta is equal to what? Opposite side AP divided by the adjacent side OA. So this is the AP is the opposite side divided by adjacent side is OA. So that the length of the side AP, the length of the side AP is also equal to OB. So I can also write this is a parallel side OB divided by OA. Because AP and OB are equal and parallel. Is it not? They are equal and parallel. Therefore, what is tan theta now is equal to, so tan theta is equal to OB is equal to Y divided by OA is equal to X. Therefore, the direction theta is equal to tan inverse of Y by X. So this theta is the angle made by the position vector with the x-axis, and the position vector is given by r vector is equal to x times I cap plus y times j cap. So these two equations are very important with the reference to the position vector. So finally, what is the position vector? Position vector is defined as the vector which is directed from the reference point, namely origin, up to the point where the particle is located. I hope you must have understood. Fine.